Hello and welcome to our new video. Today, we're diving into the world of AI writing assistants with a head-to-head comparison of Writesonic versus ChatGPT. If you're looking for the best tool to elevate your content creation game, you're in the right place. But before we jump in, don't forget to check out the description for the links to Writesonic versus ChatGPT. First up, let's talk about Writesonic. Powered by Writesonic, this AI writing assistant is a powerhouse when it comes to content creation. With its up-to-date, factually correct information, Writesonic is your go-to tool for generating engaging and relevant content. Whether it's crafting blog posts, product descriptions, social media copy, or even generating digital art and images, Writesonic has you covered. Plus, its intuitive user interface and AI-driven tools make the writing process a breeze. On the other hand, we have ChatGPT, powered by OpenAI. While ChatGPT excels in natural language processing and engaging conversations, it may fall short when it comes to content creation. Trained on information until 2021, ChatGPT's lack of recent data may limit its utility for topics beyond that date. Additionally, its conversational capabilities, while impressive, may not always provide the most relevant answers to user queries. So, which one takes the crown? In our opinion, Writesonic emerges as the clear winner. With its diverse range of features, including AI blog ideas generation, instant article writing, and Surfer SEO integration, Writesonic offers unparalleled versatility and functionality. Plus, with its commitment to delivering 100% plagiarism-free content and support for over 25 languages, Writesonic is truly in a league of its own. In conclusion, if you're looking for an AI writing assistant that can revolutionize your content creation process, look no further than Writesonic. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon.